Hey everyone, I'm Katie, and today we're going to go over our bookkeeping organizer. The first thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free, and then you're going to want to go into your templates under Firm Templates, Organizers, and then you're going to want to scroll down to that template. Now, even though it says monthly bookkeeping, you can use it at any frequency you would like. So the overview is going to show first. It's going to show you everything that is going to be in this organizer. With our new checklist feature, you're also able to add that. You would need to add the checklist at the at the account level. But here you can see everything that's included in this organizer. So we're going to go ahead and look at each of these. First, we've got bank and credit card statements. So we're going to ask for those. They can give us some information and upload those statements for us. Any sale invoices they have, any business expenses that they need to share, any bookkeeping files that they need to share with us. So any account receivable or account payable, information about personal benefits received from the business, asset registers, etc. Any payroll information that we need. Let's fix our spelling on that one. VAT reports, if applicable. Oh, wow, I can't say that word today. Applicable. And an HMRC documents is, again, applicable. And then any other documents that are needed. I'm going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. Again, you can add any new sections you need to, or delete any sections that you will not be asking for documents for. Go ahead and click Save and Exit. Now, normally this will be part of your bookkeeping pipeline, your recurring bookkeeping pipeline. But for today, I'm going to show you what it looks like when we send it to a client. So we're going to go ahead and click New. We are going to go ahead and click Organizer. And go ahead and send it to my test account. Then I'm going to go ahead and select that organizer. We're going to create and send it. And now you can see that I have sent that organizer to my client. Now you can see I'm on the client side. I'm going to go ahead and click Complete Organizer. And this is how it looks when the client comes onto their portal. So you can see again, we have the overview. We have the section asking for the bank statements, for sale invoices, for business expenses that were paid personally, for any bookkeeping files that are relevant, for any payroll files that are relevant, for the VAT reports, if applicable, and for any HMRC documents that are applicable. And then any other documents that we might need that the client wants to upload. Then they'll click Submit. And then we'll be able to see that they submitted and completed that organizer. Now, on the firm side, you are able to change the answers so that change the questions so that they are required, and the client will have to answer each of those questions. If you have any questions about this organizer, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.